The next thing you need to know is this. Dito sa lever, ayan o, trip. When you press this, currently nakalagay dyan 523 kilometers. Okay naman. Hindi na lang. Currently 523 kilometers. That means, yan ang dami ng kilometers na kaya mo pang puntahan with your current status for your gas. Pag click mo yung etong lever, pag press mo ganon, lalabas ang other display. Ito ay odometer. Yan ang total kilometers na tinakbo ng iyong car. Ito naman ay trip meter. 1.3 kilometers from Ford until our house. Grabe, lit lang naman nun. And then, click it again. 38.3 average liter per 100 kilometers. 38 liters per 100 kilometers. And, okay. Ano yan?
Wala. Sign language.
And then, when I click it again, nakalagay dyan 90 kilometers and may nakita kang parang bell dito sa gilid na merong speedometer. Ibig sabihin yan is your limit. When you press and hold this, magbi-blink ang indicator, meaning you can click to change the speed na pwede mag-limit. So I'm gonna set it at 90 para pag 90 kilometers ka na, sasabihin ng car mo, bilis mo naman! So, to set, either just leave it like that or press and hold to set. And this one is your average kilometer per hour, which is our speed. Tama, ang baga ng takbo namin, 6 kilometers per hour lang. That ends our dashboard presentation. The next one is your headlights, which I'm pretty sure you know already. This is headlights. This is park light on, headlights on. This one is your front fog lights on. And this one is your rear fog lights on. Toot toots. Okay, let's turn it off for now. Dito sa baba ng manibela mo, meron kang lever na pwede mong iganito. Yan ay ang adjustment ng height ng manibela mo. Either you want it high or you want it low. Okay? So, ako naka-high. So, baba ako for you kasi ikaw low ka. Maliit ka lang eh. And you lock it like that. Doon, eto, pag binuksan mo to, kung mabubuksan yan, ECU yan. Hindi ka lang namang alam sa electronics kasi hindi ka nag-ECE. Ay, nag-ECE ka pala. Ito naman yung hood mo. Dito sa ilalim, yung lever na yan. Tuk! Open ang hood. Okay, part 2, mahaba na to eh. Part 3 na next. Part 3 next video.
What the?